In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn over $200 every single hour by simply watching videos, and this is one of the easiest methods to make money online. And now, it's probably silly, but you have to trust me, it's an easy online money making strategy for you to get extra money online. All you have to do is watch videos, and to start, all you need is What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now let's get right into the video, okay? Step 1, you're gonna play the video, and step 2, you're gonna watch it for at least 60 seconds. Step 3, you're gonna cash out your earnings. And it's really that easy, and I'm going to show you the most effective website for making money online just by watching videos. This website is accessible and you can do it anywhere in the world, and it's free and it's easy, and let's jump right into it. First things first, I want you guys to go to zoombox.com. Zoombox. Now, if you can see over here, you can earn money by simply completing surveys, watching videos, television shows, and participating in some offers. Now, for the purpose of today's video, we are going to be focusing on watching videos because it's something that we do every single day. I know a lot of you enjoy watching videos, and just imagine being able to do something you enjoy and getting paid for it. I mean, that's just great. Now, I want to explain to you how this website works, okay? Step 1, you are going to create a free account on this website. Step 2, you're going to select a channel that you want or that interests you. Step 3, you are going to select a channel that you want or interests you. And after that, you're going to start watching TV shows and videos. And after you watch these videos or these TV shows, points are going to be sent into your account. Now, you can also, try different things for extra earnings. So you can switch channels, and also you can exchange your points for cash or gift cards. Now, as I've mentioned, our first step is to create a free account on this website. And to be able to do that, you're going to go onto the main page, and then you are going to input your email address. You're going to create a password, and then you are going to sign up. Now, you can also join using your Facebook or your Google account so that it's faster and more convenient for you. But if you want to do it manually, you can do that as well. So you can now check how much money you can make on Zoombox by logging into your account. Now, you're going to see that people have made anywhere from $300 to $600 on this website. And you could be next. Now, these people are earning money, making money on Zoombox by watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers. And the best thing about this is that there's a ton of videos on this website. And all of it is updated and resetted or renewed every single day. That means that the amount of money that you can make is unlimited because the videos that you can watch is unlimited as well. And all you have to do is watch your videos. It's super easy. If you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leave some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. To begin, you're gonna click watch on the left side of your screen, and after that you're gonna see these boxes with titles like Hideout TV and Lootably on them. And if you actually hover your mouse on them, you're gonna see the details of these offers. And then next, you are going to select Lootably for the sake of this video. You're gonna click on the start button on top of this box. You're then gonna be taken to this page where you can choose the video category. Now, you have the option of selecting from any of the categories of food, DIY, or other videos on this side over here. Now, you're going to see how many points you can get in each category. For example, you want to choose food. You're then going to be brought to this page to continue. Or you're going to have to create a free account. And as you can see right here, you are going to click sign up. And then you're going to enter your email address. You're going to create a password. And then you are going to click sign up. And after you're creating an account, you're going to be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as possible, as many as you want. And if I click on this video right here, for example, I'm going to be brought to another page where I'm going to have to watch the video for at least 30 seconds to be able to earn, which you are going to have to do as well. And now you want to go on different tabs all at the same time. You're going to open up multiple tabs all at the same time. And in this way, you're going to be able to watch multiple videos. Well, not necessarily watch it because you only have one set of eyes, which is only good for one video. But the fact that there are multiple tabs open, multiple videos playing, that means multiple streams of income coming in. So that's how you can do it. You're just gonna let it play in the background, and that's how you're gonna make the most money in the shortest amount of time. So before we move on any further, I want you guys to comment down below what you love about the video so far. If you have any recommendations, any suggestions, anything you want to change, or maybe anything you want to see in the next set of videos, make sure you comment it down below, because we read through them and we actually take a lot of output from them, because we need the feedback so that we can make better videos for our lovely subscribers. So let's continue. Now, you can continue on watching more videos by clicking all of these videos. And one more tip that I actually have is that you can decrease the video quality by selecting in the video settings on the right side to conserve data or the internet. So I want you guys to set it to the lowest video quality, which is probably like 480p. And then you are going to view it as many 60-second films as possible, like I said, the multiple tabs, while earning as much money as possible as well. And now that you guys know how to make money on Zoombucks by watching videos, I want to teach you another method really quickly, which is to complete surveys. Now on the left side of your Zoombucks dashboard, you're going to find surveys that you can click on, and you will click on. And by doing that, you are going to be given a list of companies that are going to pay you to do simple surveys. These companies are going to pay you over 50 cents, 80 cents, to $5 to $10, and even $20 for every survey that you're able to complete. Just choose the business that gives you the most money, that offers the most money, then follow the instructions, the procedures as what they will tell you, and then just like that, you're gonna make money by doing surveys as well. So try to do videos and surveys, and I know you guys are gonna love it. And that is pretty much everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.